So before the question, it is written over here, as per the Hari Singh's thinking, if he would not rob his money, he would waste that money on his friends. So that's why Hari Singh decided to steal the money of Hari Singh. Next, it is written over here after the question, Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up into the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. Children, over here, Hari Singh waited that when Anil would asleep, he would go into his room and steal the money. After that, he could easily board or catch the train named Express to Lucknow at 10:30 p.m. Slipping out of his blanket, then he left his blanket and moved into the bedroom of Anil. Even I had more marks on my face. It is written over here, Anil's face was so clear and unlined, but my face was having many lines or wrinkles, though mine were mostly scars. My hand slid under the mattress. Slid meant to say he had just kept his hand under the mattress, and like that you can see in the next picture. Here in this picture, Hari Singh is sliding his hand under the mattress and getting the money under the mattress. Then it is written over here, yes, he was searching for the notes. When I found the notes or that bundle of money, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled, means shocked, and quietly crawled out of the room by taking the money. This time, Hari Singh had taken the money. When I was on the road, I began to run. Meant to say, now Hari Singh was beginning towards the railway station. His journey about, I'm telling you. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. He had tied the notes with the string of his trouser. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. Then at one place he slowed down and walked and counted the notes. That was the bundle of 600 rupees and all notes of 50 rupees. Total amount was 600 rupees. What were stolen by Hari Singh. Then I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. By counting the money, or after counting the money, Hari Singh thought that with this 2 weeks he can spend very good money on his luxuries. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket, as he was a thief. That's why he had told over here, I did not stop at the ticket counter and went directly to catch the train. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed. I mean to say, when he reached at the platform, train was just picking the speed. He could board the train. Let's see what happened. I should have been able to jump into one or two carriages, but I hesitated for some reason I can't explain. At that time, student, let's see what happened. When train was in front of him, okay, so he could catch the train, but somehow or with some reasons he can't catch the train, and I lost the chance to get away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone at the deserted means alone or empty platform. I had no idea where to spend that night. I had no friends. Children, here you need to remember one thing, he had not boarded that train. He could not run away. Somehow good features were started coming, or he couldn't betray Anil, or some kind of things were there. Let's continue and understand what happened. When the train had gone, he left himself alone at the platform. Then what happened? He was not having any idea where to spend that night. He was not having any friends, believing that friends were more trouble. And I did not want to make anyone curious by saying at one of the small hotels near the station. He did not want to spend that night in the railway station's hotels nearby, by which all people will suspect on him. The only person I knew really well was the man. Who was the only person who has trusted him ever? Anil. So this time he was introspecting, he was meditating, or he was just remembering that only Anil had trusted him in this whole world to whom he had cheated. Then I walked slowly through the bazaar, means market. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face. Children, do you need to mark this line? This line will be the third type of person which you were having the question on the previous page. I told you further we get, here we have got it now. So here he said that Anil had trusted him, but I knew that Anil's face, when he would discover the theft, okay, or stealing, would show only a touch of sadness. He said that when Anil will get to know that he was being robbed by the person to whom he had trusted the most, he became sad. Not at the loss of money, but at the loss of trust. Because for innocent man, or for true man, money doesn't matter, trust matters. Okay. I found myself in the Medan and sat down on a bench. The night was really chilly. Mean to say, winter season was there, so it was hard to bear. It was early November, and like drizzle added to my, here drizzle word is written over here, meant to say rain. A bit drizzle started at that time. Started raining. Added to my discomfort. Previously there was chilly effect or cold wind was blowing, then rain started. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in a shelter of the clock tower. For some time he sat under the clock tower. The clock tower showed midnight. Their time it was 12 o'clock. I felt for the notes. Children, remember his clothes got wet because of the rain, and remember he had also tied notes at the string of his pajamas. They went damp from the rain. Meant to say notes got wet. Okay, then the clock showed midnight. This is done. Okay, Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I could not cook his meals. This time he was introspecting. Anil was thinking that if I would have been at Anil's house in the morning, he would have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all, means I had all the money. I couldn't cook food for Anil, run to the bazaar and learn to write whole sentences anymore. This time, children, look, he had started regretting that now I could not cook food, okay, and I could not learn how to write sentences. Remember, Anil was teaching him also. He started regretting over here. Anil, I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Children, this time Hari Singh was not happy with this robbery. See, good nature of Anil had really impacted him. This is done. Okay. It was very simple to steal, means rob, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Here he started thinking that if he would have learnt writing for complete sentences, he could have earned a lot of success in his life. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. Here, children, he had decided to go back to Anil's house. Okay, so but he was feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Meant to say, he did not want to be caught. He did not want that Anil should ever know that he was being robbed. I opened the door quietly. Here Hari Singh has approached to the Anil's house again, back. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. In clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Here, children, what Hari Singh did, he had kept those wet bundle of notes under the Anil's mattress again. Okay, I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Next morning, Hari Singh woke up late. Okay, and Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hands towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers, and my heart sank. I thought he had been discovered. Mean to say, Anil got to know that his notes were being stolen, or his notes were wet. But on the other hand side, Anil had given 150 rupee note to Hari Singh and gave him. I made some money yesterday, he explained. This time Anil got to know because his notes were wet, but he did not blame Hari Singh. This was again one good feature of Anil, rather knowing the truth, but he did not scold Hari Singh because he wanted to give him one more chance to improve. Okay, so here he had given Hari Singh 150 rupee note and said that yesterday I earned some money by selling my book. Now you will be paid regularly. He had told him, now I have a money, I will pay you regularly. My spirit rose, but when I took notes, I saw it was still wet. Okay, from the night's train. When I held that note, it was wet. Today we will start writing sentences. Anil had not blamed him or had not scolded Hari Singh. Rather than it, he had told him, today I will teach you how to write sentences. He knew. He, who children? That is Anil. Anil knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and smile came back itself also without any effort. So here children, we have got to know that how good nature of Anil had improved a thief. So here we have ended the lesson.